Welcome back to yet another one. Let's have a look at subtraction of fractions. I am Gaston Mapala right here at Maths with Gaston. Today's example, let's start right here at number 1. When it comes to subtraction and addition of fractions, the steps are the same. If you can remember, we did have a look at the ones of addition. What the step number 1, the steps that we need to follow. We did discuss that these are the steps. Step number 1, you need to find the LCD. Step number 2, you need to divide everything by that LCD. Step number 3, whatever is left, you need to multiply the numerator with the numerator with whatever is you have divided with at the LCD. All right, great stuff. At the LCD. I'm writing a little bit low there. I don't have the space, but anyway, I hope you guys get it. If you don't get it, please make sure that you go back and watch the series on addition of fractions so that you don't get lost right here. All right, good stuff. So now let's have a look at here. What is our LCD to start with here? Our LCD in this case is going to be 8. Therefore, you need to, what did we say? You need to divide everything by that. And then your numerator is 3. 4 goes how many times here? It's like you're dividing, so 8 divided by 4 is going to be twice. Therefore, that 2 will have to multiply the numerator, which is 3. Minus 8 minus 1. 8 goes how many times into 8? It goes 1. Therefore, multiply by 1. It is equal to, you need to simplify the top here. You're going to have 6 minus 1 all over 8, which therefore gives us 5 all over 8. And that's how you would deal with number 1. So let's go ahead, let's have a look at number 2. Number 2, it is saying here at number 2, says that what is our LCD? Our LCD, ladies and gentlemen, is everything at the bottom. We know that already. Great stuff. Okay, so now what did we say? Step number 2, divide everything by the LCD. We're dividing everything by the LCD. Here we go. All right, 10 goes how many times here? So 10 and 10 would cancel out. Our numerator is 9a. We have to multiply that with whatever is left, which is 8x minus 2a, which is the numerator. And then 8x goes how many times here? It will have to go 10. So you need to multiply by 10 as well. Okay, therefore, equal to, you need to simplify the top. When you simplify the top, 9 times 8 is going to give us 72ax. The variables remain the same, and therefore you're going to have minus 20a. All right, denominator is 10 times 8x. All right, and that's how you would deal with a question like this one. You would have to end here because there's nothing else that you can do to simplify this one. I am Gaston Mapala. See you on the next upload where we will be doing question number 3 and 4.